What's up guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best Asus laptops in 2022. I've made this list based on performance, battery life, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for work, school, gaming, or the highest quality overall laptop available, we'll have the best Asus laptop for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive laptop that comes with excellent connectivity options, a comfortable keyboard, and a long-lasting battery, the Asus VivoBook 15 is a great, affordable alternative for you to consider. With its ability to handle basic tasks, surprisingly high-quality keyboard, sleek design, and solid battery, the Asus VivoBook 15 is a great choice for budget shoppers, light gaming, or office workers. It has a sleek, minimalistic design that won't stand out in an office or lecture hall, and while it's slightly heavier than the Chromebook Flip C436, it still only weighs around 3.75 pounds, so it's easy to carry around. The ergonomic keyboard offers solid feedback and a good travel distance to provide a comfortable typing experience over extended periods, and it has a white backlight that keeps the keys visible in darker settings, but the touchpad is a bit small. The 15.6-inch Nano Edge display provides plenty of screen space for watching content or finishing work, and it has the same FHD resolution as the ZenBook 13, although it lacks the detail and color performance. You get 8GB of RAM and a 10th Gen Intel Core i3-1005 G1 CPU with clock speeds up to 3.4 GHz that can handle basic tasks like everyday web browsing, streaming video, light gaming, and most work-related requirements, but it's not powerful enough for video editing or creating content. The 8-hour battery life isn't the best on the market, but it outperforms some higher-end options like the ZenBook Pro Duo, and it should last long enough to finish most projects. Even more, you get 128GB of speedy SSD storage to help reduce load times and keep your important files easily accessible. While it doesn't offer as much processing power as the Asus ZenBook 13, the VivoBook 15 is a great budget-friendly alternative that can nail the basics, and it's an ideal option if you just want a laptop that can stream media, browse the web, and handle some basic work or school-related tasks at an affordable price. For anyone who's looking for a laptop that offers a lightweight build and enough processing power to handle nearly any task, the Asus ZenBook 13 is my choice as the best Asus laptop for most people in 2022. Not everyone needs class-leading processing power, and some users might be better off saving some money. The Asus ZenBook 13 is an impressive mid-range offering that offers comparable performance in some areas to more expensive models, which makes it ideal for almost any requirement. It has a lightweight design with a thin, military-grade aluminum chassis that can easily fit into a bag or backpack, which makes it ideal for students or commuters. The keyboard provides a decent typing experience with solid tactile feedback, but users with larger hands might find the edge-to-edge keyboard a bit cramped over extended periods. The display's FHD resolution isn't as high as the ROG Zephyrus G15 and can lack some color accuracy, but it still produces inky blacks, solid details, and a vibrant image, while the 13.3-inch screen provides plenty of screen space for working or consuming media. Under the hood, you get an Intel Core i7-10510U processor, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage that capably handle everything from basic tasks like streaming video or browsing the web to more demanding requirements like extensive multitasking, though it lacks the power of the higher-end ZenBook Pro Duo. It also has an NVIDIA GeForce MX250 GPU, so it can handle some light gaming. The battery is another solid feature and can reliably deliver up to 13 hours of runtime per charge, so it can last throughout the school or workday. The Asus ZenBook 13 is the best Asus laptop for most people because of its impressive battery life, outstanding build quality, and powerful processor that can handle just about any task you could reasonably expect. If you're looking for a relatively affordable laptop that doesn't sacrifice power or performance and gives you all the essential features, this might be the ideal laptop for you. Some users might be looking for a laptop that can run almost any mainstream title at high settings without impacting the system's performance. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is my choice as the best Asus laptop for gaming in 2022. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is an ideal choice for any on-the-go gamer, and it offers solid battery life for a gaming laptop, a fast refresh rate to give you a competitive edge while playing, and powerful internal components that can effectively handle demanding games and daily tasks. Unlike most other gaming laptops, it has a reasonably refined, minimalist design that won't draw too much attention, and you can get it in 2 colors to match your gaming setup. It has a space-saving 10-keyless design, and the keys are well-spaced, comfortable to type on, and have a solid travel distance. You get a large 15.6-inch screen with a stunning native 1440p resolution, which is higher than the Asus ZenBook 13 and consistently produces a crisp, detailed image along with a lightning-fast 165Hz refresh rate to provide a smoother gaming experience, but it lacks some brightness and color saturation. It uses 16 GB of RAM, an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS 8-core processor, and a high-end NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU to power through basic daily tasks, multitask without experiencing slowdowns, and run demanding mainstream titles like GTA 5 with smooth frame rates. It also has some gamer-friendly features, such as ray tracing support, which accurately tracks in-game light rays to provide a more realistic picture while playing. Even more, it has solid battery life for a gaming laptop, and it's rated to deliver around 8 to 9 hours per charge to get you through longer matches. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 can't handle content creation or demanding workflows as effectively as the ZenBook Pro Duo, but it can easily handle most basic tasks, and it offers unmatched performance with demanding titles. This is an ideal option if you're a dedicated gamer who wants a high-end laptop that offers near desktop-level performance with games and a seamless overall experience. Next up, we have a laptop that offers an outstanding mixture of high-end performance with demanding tasks, screen space, and modern connectivity options. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is my choice as the best overall Asus laptop in 2022. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is a flagship-level laptop that comes with a dual-screen design for better multitasking, a powerful processor that can easily handle power-hungry applications, and plenty of speedy SSD storage for your important files. Its chassis is made from sturdy aluminum and comes in several color variants, so you should be able to find one that matches your style. It has a unique dual-screen design that features a 15.6-inch 4K OLED Nano Edge touchscreen display that produces a more colorful, detailed image than cheaper models like the VivoBook 15, along with a secondary 14-inch screen pad for taking notes, quick scrolling, or to increase your productivity. You also get a chiclet-style keyboard that's responsive enough to type on for extended periods and a trackpad that also functions as a number pad to save space. On the inside, it utilizes 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB of SSD storage, and a powerful Intel Core i7-9750H processor that can handle demanding tasks like extensive multitasking, editing massive 4K photos, and rendering or transcoding larger videos, which makes it perfect for creative professionals or content creators. It also has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU that's more than capable of playing mainstream titles or VR games with impressive frame rates at decent settings. Unfortunately, the battery isn't as strong as the Asus ZenBook 13 and can only last for around 3.5 hours, but this is understandable considering the OLED panel, powerful components, and dual-screen design. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is the best Asus laptop because of its productivity-enhancing design and ability to handle processor-intensive tasks better than the previously mentioned laptops on this list. If you don't mind spending a bit more and would prefer a laptop that can capably handle anything from watching media to creating content to mainstream gaming, this might be the ideal choice for you. If you're looking for a laptop that can nail most basic tasks and offers similar performance to more expensive models for much less, the Asus Chromebook Flip C436 is my choice as the best Asus laptop for the money in 2022. The Asus Chromebook Flip C436 comes with an elegant 2-in-1 design that can be used almost anywhere, a solid screen that's perfect for consuming media, and surprisingly speedy performance at a decent price. It has a 2-in-1 design that can be used as either a tablet or a laptop depending on your requirements, and it comes with a durable magnesium alloy chassis to withstand daily usage. You get a 14-inch 1080p display which produces a sharp, vibrant image that's ideal for watching your favorite content, although it lacks some brightness compared to the Asus ZenBook 13. Unfortunately, it also lacks a USB-A port to connect legacy peripherals, but it comes with 2 USB-C ports for faster data transfers, a microSD card slot, and modern Wi-Fi 6 technology. Unlike the other options on this list, it runs Chrome OS and supports Android apps, which makes it an ideal choice for students or professionals. While the 8 GB of RAM and 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor can't handle demanding tasks as well as the ZenBook Pro Duo, they offer enough power to nail the basics, browse the web, multitask, game lightly, and more, and it offers a much longer 12-hour runtime to last most of the day. Additionally, it remains reasonably cool while in use, so you won't need to worry about overheating or impacting the system's performance during demanding workflows. While it doesn't quite offer the same performance as the higher-end ZenBook Pro Duo, the Asus Chromebook Flip C436 can still reliably nail basic tasks, and it offers some similar features for a much lower price. I would recommend this if you don't want to spend too much money but still want an Asus laptop that offers enough power to lightly game, stream video, or browse the web without impacting performance. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.